Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling something every Wix Classic Editor user needs to know. How to make your Wix website look amazing on any asterisk screen size, whether it's a tiny phone, a tablet, or a huge desktop monitor. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your site not just look good, but actually work well for all your visitors, no matter how they're viewing it. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about using the mobile view in Wix Classic Editor. Up at the top of the editor, you'll see a little mobile phone icon. Give that a click, and you'll notice your workspace shifts to show you what your site looks like on a phone rather than a computer. This isn't just for show, it's a whole separate editing mode. Here's a key detail. When you make changes in the desktop view, a lot of those changes transfer to mobile, but if you make an adjustment in the mobile view, it stays just on mobile. So you have control to fine-tune things where they matter most for a mobile visitor. Next up is a feature that's often overlooked but super powerful, hiding elements on different devices. Let's say you have a big, beautiful image that looks fantastic on a desktop, but on your phone it's just eating up space or making things awkward. Just click that element, look for the Hide on Mobile option, and click it. You can do the same thing the other way around for desktop. This lets you swap out giant images for something smaller or maybe even remove something entirely that just doesn't work on a phone. It means your site feels tailored for each visitor. Now let's talk about resizing and repositioning elements for mobile. This is where a lot of the magic happens. In mobile view, you'll need to literally drag and resize text, buttons, and images so they fit comfortably for a swipe and scroll experience. Think of it like rearranging furniture in a small room. You want the essentials up front and easy to reach. For example, if you have a call to action button like Contact Us or Shop Now, make sure it's clearly visible as soon as someone lands on your page. No one wants to scroll forever to find the important stuff. Instead of placing everything freely wherever you want, try using strips and columns. Adding a strip, which stretches all the way across the page, helps your layout adjust more smoothly to different screen widths. But inside strips, you can split things into columns. For mobile, columns neatly stack on top of each other rather than squishing side by side. It's a bit like stacking building blocks. They stay organized no matter how wide or narrow the space. For images, the Scale to Fit option is your friend. This tells Wix to resize images so they never get squished or cut off, no matter the screen size. And be cautious with pinning elements like sticking a button to the corner of the screen. It sounds cool, but on mobile, pinned items can sometimes overlap or crowd out other content. If you don't need it, leave pinning off. Readable text is critical. On a small device, aim for at least a 16-pixel font. You want everyone to read it comfortably without zooming in. Also, keep titles and headings short and sweet. If they're too long, they might wrap in awkward ways and lose their punch. Don't just trust the preview in the editor. Click the preview button for both desktop and mobile, but also grab your actual phone or tablet, open your site, and do a real-road test. Check for weird spacing, buttons that are too small, and menus that work smoothly. Speaking of menus, Wix automatically changes your navigation into a mobile-friendly hamburger menu in mobile view. Don't ignore this. Customize the colors and icons so it matches your vibe and, more importantly, is super easy to tap with a thumb. A quick reminder, Wix's Classic Editor handles mobile and desktop as two separate versions. You tweak each one by hand. If you ever want true, automatic, responsive design, that's where Wix Studio comes in with more advanced features. But with this manual process, you can still get a fantastic result. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Drop any questions or your own mobile design tips down below. I'd love to help you out. And of course, subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow Wix tutorials coming soon. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.